Classification of animals by SKS Educational Classes. We see a variety in animals. So, let us discuss the classification of animals of our surrounding. Hello friends, please subscribe and press the bell icon. There is great diversity in animals. So, let's study the classification of animal and different criteria of classification. The first criteria for classification is according to number of cells. It is divided into two types, unicellular and multicellular organisms. Unicellular organisms. Paramecium and amoeba both are the unicellular organism. These animals or these microbes we do not see with our naked eyes. With the help of microscope, we can see that. This is the microscope. Next one is the multicellular organisms. They are having many cells. For example, crow and many birds, horse. All the human beings are also multicellular organisms. The second criteria for classification is according to the vertebral column. First one is invertebrata, second one is vertebrata. Invertebrates do not having the vertebral column. For example, earthworm, then snail, and many more. Vertebrates having vertebral column. In all these groups, vertebral column is present. Fish, birds, reptiles, amphibians, mammals, and also in human being, all having the vertebral column. The third criteria for classification is according to the mode of reproduction. First one is oviparous, second one is viviparous. Oviparous animals are those animals which lay their eggs and hatch them. These all are the oviparous animals. Next group is viviparous, means all mammals. These are all animals are mammals, means viviparous, give birth to their young ones. Fourth mode of classification is according to the habitat: terrestrial, aquatic, amphibian, and aerial. The terrestrial animal means those animals which live on land. Next group is aquatic animal. Aquatic animal means the animals which live in the water. Third group is amphibians. Amphibians means those animals which live both on land and as well as in water also. All these animals are amphibian animals. Fourth group is aerial animals, means all the birds included in this group. So in this way, there is great diversity in animals. They are modified according to the environment in which they reside. Please subscribe, like, share and keep watching SKS educational videos. Thank you.